All right, let's try this again. So, a couple minutes later, when I wait for the chicken and everything to cool down, so now, here we go again. Yep. This is what I do while I wait for a couple minutes. Because I know it was hot like a couple minutes ago, and now I tried it again. Starting with the chicken drumstick that I eat today. But spicy, so, because you know I love spicy, right? Definitely. So, yeah, good thing I ate it with a gravy. Yep, I eat the drumstick and the thigh with hand, no fork. Because using a fork would be too difficult, right? Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I finished the drumsticks right now. And also the thigh, I ate the pieces first. The skin is the best part. Just as soon as I had fries first. See, there you go. This is what I do, so. Yeah. Good thing I enjoy Jollibee, even though I didn't eat it often. I know. It's been a year now that I didn't eat this. But good thing I ate one now. Once again. I love the drumstick and thighs. Spicy. All spicy. Give those 9 out of 10, even though I haven't had it for a year. So it's good.